A bear once roamed a vast forest, filled with food and shelter, completely content with all that surrounded it. But as winter approached, food grew scarce, and the bear found itself struggling to survive. Other animals had stored food, preparing for the tough times ahead, but the bear, it had nothing saved. So, the bear learned the hard way. It couldn't rely only on what was available at the moment. It needed to build a reserve for the future. This story connects to a powerful financial freedom tip: build an emergency fund. Just like the bear, we often assume that our current income is enough, but unexpected situations, a medical emergency, job loss, or sudden expense can leave us feeling financially vulnerable. An emergency fund is like having a stash of food saved for the winter. It provides security and allows us to face tough times without panic. Start by setting aside a small amount each month, 10% of your income if possible. Gradually, this fund will grow, giving you peace of mind and stability in emergencies. Remember, financial freedom isn't just about earning more. It's about preparing wisely.